Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss SariahRena here, and we back again with another hair tutorial video. As y'all can tell by the title, we are about to be putting in some tracks again. Y'all know my hair is dyed and I can't find any other hair to match this color. I will not be putting a perm in it and I will not be dyeing it. I might dye it back black, but that's too much. It's messing up my hair. My hair already don't want to grow, so I'm gonna show y'all the hair. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all push that like button, comment down below, and subscribe, okay? Period. So let me show y'all the hair, okay? This is the boutique bundles, and it says it's the 3 bundle special 4x4 lace closure. This is what it look like. It's long too, y'all. So it's body weight. It's 18, 20, and a 22 inch, and it's T1B, and it's the color 30. And this was like $32.99. We're not about to install the lace closure. We just about to install the bundles, you know, glue it in. It's something fast, quick, and easy, you know. I got kids, so I have to you know, get something quick, you know what I'm saying, y'all. I'm gonna take it out the pack and show y'all what it's looking like. It look like it's raggedy, but it's not. This is what it's looking like. This raggedy shit, I don't know why they be putting this in here. This stuff is so raggedy, but it feels good. These are soft, a premium 2 human hair and premium fiber blend. Sensational style at sensational value. I hope this don't go raggedy, and I hope this don't go nasty, because you know what I'm saying. I'm about to be having this in my hair, be sweating and stuff. I don't want it to be going raggedy. We're about to install this hair, you know, glue it in. We're about to see what she looking like. I need to look cute because Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Okay, cool. This is the 18 inch over here. This is the 20 inch, and this is the 22 inch. So they all look motherfucking the same. I don't know why that's like that, but they all look the same length. But probably because it's on here. Y'all, let's get into this video because it's going to be long. Let's get right on into the video. So y'all, it's coming along okay. Look at it. Yep, it's wavy, but it's thin, and I gotta be careful because I don't want to snatch them out. It matches my hair well. Can't even tell that. Almost done. So let's get finished, y'all. Comment down below and tell me how y'all feel about this hair. Y'all feeling it, anything like that, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's got waves or whatever, but I don't know, it's thin. We're gonna have to watch everything we do with this hair. Combing it, brushing it, all that. But it's cute, y'all. It's long. About to finish, and we about to come back with the finished results, okay? So So y'all, I am all finished with this tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed this because I surely did. This is the hair, you guys. It's giving me life. It's long, it's cute, it's Barbie-ish. Just to be you know, quick weave, glue in, old tracks, you know what I'm saying? I had to get you know, beautify real quick. So yeah, this is the finished result. She's giving me millionaire vibes. She's giving me take me out to dinner vibes. She's giving me she's ready to boss up vibes. Okay, this is what she's giving us. So y'all, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at me. She's pretty. Comment down below, y'all. Tell me what y'all think about this hair. Y'all like it? Y'all love it? I'm about to end this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Before we get out this video, y'all already know, smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.